The first thing you have to do today is, there's 2 bolts right here. Just take those 2 bolts out. There's another one right there. Gotta take this little rubber insert out. Take that Phillips screwdriver bolt out. And then you just basically look around the car, because sometimes there'll be a screw underneath the bottom. There is none for this car, so what we have to do is we just basically pop the panel off. You just pry this back right here. There you go. So take that out so when you're taking the panel off you have room. So, found the problem. So the cable broke. As you can see right here, cable broke off. So at this stage of the game, there's no reason for me to take everything out because the cable broke. So now I have to order a new one, get it in for maybe next week, then we'll just replace it. So next week I'll walk you through the rest of the steps of how to change the rest of the door panel. So it's the next day. Got a part from Honda. That's the part number for the cable that's inside the door handle that broke. So I'm going to take it back off the door handle and then reinstall everything. So whenever you take the door panel off, it's going to look like that. They have those 2 plugs that goes into the master control. You just basically pull them out. Right here is where the tab broke off from the top of the cable. The door panel off. Take this off, find the cable, and pull it out. One more thing, just so you could be able to get the actual actuator out, you have to move the railing for the window. The screw goes right here. So basically, that's what it is. It allows you to move the whole thing around, so you can maneuver the actuator out. So now you just put it back into 10mm. As you can see, you gotta take the whole latch out, take this little plastic retainer off. And this is the cable. You gotta flip this over. Well, you know what, I get what I'm saying. You gotta take that out, and then just slide a new one in. So the new cable is in. Just basically, oops, gotta keep this out. Got a little clip right there. That's where it hooks up to. Everything is secured. And there's a little screw that goes in right here. Where is it? This one. So little Phillips goes in there. Just put it back in and tighten it up. And that's it. So, to make it quick and simple, you have to take this out, take this screw out, take these 3 out. As you can see, the whole thing came out. And there's one more. Take this little cover off, and there's a little clip in there. You pop that clip out. Then once everything is back in, just run it like this. That's where the new one goes. Clips in there. Comes through the opening right there. That goes there. Run down. Then you just put the door handle back on.